Hello, good morning. My name is Jorge Arreguin, and this time I bring you a stone laundry skin. Okay, let's see how it works. First, let me show you the menu. The menu. First, you have the dimensions: wide, deep, wash area deep, A from the floor, wall thickness, and resolution. Okay, let's put the first and see how it works. Like you can see, you have a hot spot right here and another right here, and in the corners you can change the size. You don't need to go here, you only can move it to the place you want it and the size you need it. And then you move this hot spot here in the center to change the size of the sinks. Almost the wash area is bigger than the water area. Okay, you don't need this kind of stone. Let me turn 90 degrees. Okay, this one here, this spot right here, change the thickness of the wall. Maybe this is made from metal, it's almost very thick, and when this is from other material like plastic, could be wider. Okay, well, you can change if you need one sink or two sinks. Right here you make the selection. Okay, and of course you can change size and everything like in the another. Okay, let's go to 3D. In 3D we got a, let me change my zone. It's on the side. Okay, on 3D you can change the dip from here. You want something very light. You can change the thick of the wall like I told you in 2D. You can change the A from the floor. And you can change the radius right here. And you can change the support size smaller. I made a limitation to avoid the support go far than the size of the sink, and avoid to go far than the back and to the front. Okay, can move it, but almost is here. Sorry. Let me try to move it to back. Okay, if you don't want it, you can go here and eliminate the support and just use the top, because maybe you will hang over the wall with these two areas. I will use another one, two tops, like this. Move here, a little bigger here, and in the wash area you can decide if you want these heels or not. Just turn it off, and now you have two areas to the same purpose, or just one. Let me put one only. Even you can do you remember the ones that you put on a something like this? Okay, you can change texture. Let me change texture. I'm sorry. Some line, something like this. To put in your kitchen. The resolution right now is almost like 16. I can change the resolution to, I put 30. It's really big resolution. Okay. So you can have different models. This will be one, and make another really different. Let me turn around. Okay. This will have one or two with support in a different place. Let me put another here. This only will have no washboard. This could be like no radius. Let me go back. Something like this. And for the inside lines, let me show you this another option. I will make another here. Okay. Now we use only one top. Okay. You can change the size. Very small one, like a single one. And I will change this form. Okay. Let me go to the menu and let me see the A of this to 0.5 maybe. Smaller. And let me change the angle will be 0. That's mean. Okay. And the last one maybe will be this 2. Let me put 2 here. Yeah, it's possible. Now you can see. Oh, sorry. They are not flat. They have a radio. So it's a simple object. I hope you like it. Let me change from the A right here. This is another place. And I have another option. Let me show you this one. Like we can do something like this, and don't use support. Don't add support. Okay. And let's do very small, like this. And you can rotate it. It's no common rotate, but you can do it. That's it. Change the size here, very small, and then move to another side. Okay, I hope you like it. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.